so what is P5.js? Like we've been saying, it is a JavaScript library. And a library is a collection of functions written in a specific language, in this case, JavaScript. So what's a function? So a function is a group of instructions that are referred to as one unit. So looking back at our brushing your teeth example, we talked about how we have to explain everything in very, very clear detail to provide instructions to the human computer. So if I wanted to say the brushing your teeth part of the action, I would have to say, move your right hand horizontally to the, an inch to the left and then an inch to the right, and write out all these instructions. But then if I told you to, do it again, I would have to write out those instructions all over again, and that's pretty tedious. But if I grouped all of those instructions into a function and called it brush your teeth, then I can use that function whenever I want. So if I just wrote brush your teeth, then it would refer to that function with the list of instructions required to brush your teeth. So P5.js does this for us to create graphics on the web. So there are instructions written in JavaScript, let's say to draw a circle, and that might be kind of a longer list of instructions, but it's wrapped in a function that basically says draw a circle, called ellipse, and that makes it really easy for us to create really cool graphics on the web. So it's just a list of functions that makes it easy to draw graphics on the web.
Another place you can look to learn more about this is the Hello P5 site, which we will link in our documentation.
Yeah, there will be a lot of links.
Yeah. But then there's always the question of why P5? How does this relate to the bigger picture? Well, for one, since P5 is basically a list of functions of graphics, you can use this to create graphics in your websites, in portfolios, in game design, and so on and so forth. But also because when you're learning P5, what you're actually learning is JavaScript. And that means that you are basically learning the language of the web now, and you can use it in other libraries and so many other places. And the third most amazing point is that you're learning these concepts when you learn P5 or when you learn JavaScript that are universally applicable to all of coding, basically. So this is just sort of a stepping stone into the language of into the world of programming.
Yeah, and we'll learn all these concepts, but through really fun applications.
Yeah.